growth shampoos. Touch-up herbal shampoo. The best shampoo for hair growth with cheap cost in India. Aloe vera is one of the key ingredient in this shampoo that helps in soothing the scalp and moisturizing it deeply. The vitamin B12 is good for hair growth. This reduces the hair fall and helps you to achieve the goals. Goals: clear scalp of sweat and oil. Suitable for all hair types. Free from SLS and SLES. Lathers well. Does not strip off the oils of the scalp. Biotic kelp protein shampoo for intensive hair growth treatment and thickness. Rupees 159. It offers much volume to your hair. Adds shine to your hair. It will have a soothing fragrance. Contains natural ingredients. Mamaearth Happy Head Shampoo. Goals: free from harsh chemicals. Helps to remove buildup. Helps to promote healthy hair. Provides nourishment to hair. Specially formulated to treat hair thinning. Thank you for watching my video.